Now that you have practiced rotate and practice scale, I want you to open your one of your warm-ups here, okay? And let's pick 226, okay? So 226. So click it, open. And what we're going to do is we're going to save this into a new file, okay? We're going to save this as, and you're going to go to your Google Drive, and you're going to go to your SketchUp file, okay? And you're going to type here skp3, save, okay? So what we're going to do now here, it should have your name, and when you have lost your view again, remember that you can go here and then click on the Southwest view, and it should return you back, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to create several copies of this one, okay? So to make a copy, we can simply click something that if you want to select the whole thing, you must make it a group first, or you can simply select the whole thing. It would be advisable to create or make a group first whenever you're finished with a part, okay? So let's select this whole thing, just like I showed you. And we're going to right click on it and then make a group. Once it's a group, we can make a copy by selecting and then going to the move tool and then pressing your control key on your keyboard. I'm using a Mac, so it says option, but it's really just control. And you're going to see a plus sign appear. If you press control again, you will see a stamp sign, okay? So you can make multiple copies by selecting one corner and selecting the other, okay? So you always want to do corner to corner or some way of being precise with your selection, okay? So that's one way of doing it, okay? I'm going to undo. Another way to copy is to select the object, go to move, move, and then press control on your keyboard or option in mine, and you're going to see it turn to a plus. When you have made a copy by clicking from one corner to the other, immediately after making a copy on your keyboard, you can type 5x, and 5x means that you want to make 5 copies, okay? So when you type 5x and press enter, you will now have a total of 6 copies, including your original, okay? So the 5 copies are the 5 copies more than the original. So if you want only a total of 5, all you're going to do is select, type in 4x instead of 5x, because 5x will make 5 more copies more than the original, okay? So let's pan by using your shift key to pan, okay? And then let's use the scale tool to make this bigger, okay? So we're going to use the scale tool here, the move, and then there's a scale. And then we want this to be bigger, so we're going to click the corner, click it, drag it, and then we're going to put in a 2, enter, so it's double the size. All right, for your name if it's small, okay? You can double it again, or from the beginning type in 4 to make it big, okay? So go again to your scenes and click Southwest, okay? Your name should be here, and we're going to take a picture of this view and put it on our Google Doc, okay? So let's open our Google Doc first. So this is my SKP2. We're going to just do simply a file, make a copy, and we're going to name this, remove the copy of, and name this SKP3. All right. So now that this is an SKP3, we don't need these drawings anymore because it's now SKP3. And we're just going to delete also the dates, I mean the numbers for the warm-up because they're warm-ups, and we're just gonna put in today's date. Okay, so today's date, if it's 27, and put in 327, or we can just put number 1. Let's just put number 1, so it's the same. SKP 3-1. Okay, and then we're going to do SKP 3-2. Now we're going to put SKP 3-3, so forth and so on. All right, and we're going to go back to our drawing, and we're going to take a picture, snapshot, make sure that you see your name on it, go back to your SKP3, and then paste it there. Okay, so that's what you're going to do.